Welcome to Horror Podcast episode 7. Someone's knocking at the door.
Hello, are you coming out with us tonight?
Not you, bitch. This week I watched drugged up medical students get raped in the film Someone's Knocking at the Door.
Delivery.
I don't remember ordering this, and it's dead. The film is basically about a bunch of medical students taking drugs, having sex, saying hilarious things, all the while being stalked by some demonic, dead serial killers from the 70s. Someone's knocking at the door.
Sorry folks, I didn't mean to startle you, I'm Ranger Brad.
Hi, Ranger Brad is a trippy avant-garde piece with some strobing, slice edits, and movies like in our next clip. Oh, that seems to be broken. Anyway, something's at the door. Not now, monster from Mindflesh. This film drags for long portions, ranging from being fueled by dialogue to just weird shit. And then basically a montage of mini music videos, some of which are fucked up, but I would definitely love to see this one on MTV. Good night.